Today, we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X7504SH for a 2023 to 2026 Honda Pilot, which features a 100% concealed cross tube, patent-pending stainless steel receiver, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market with 8,500 pounds towing and 1,000 pounds tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. Safely lift the vehicle using factory jacking points and secure it with jack stands. Then, lower and remove the spare tire to clear your workspace. Feed the coiled end of the bolt fisher into the small frame hole and out the large hole. Thread the fisher onto your bolt, guide the hardware into the frame, and pull it through the small hole. Remove the fisher, then repeat on the passenger side. Prep 3 M14 bolts with a 9/16 split lock washer and flat washer. Raise the driver's side frame plate and thread the M14 bolts into the factory holes. Secure the fished 1/2-inch bolt with a flat washer, split lock washer, and hex nut. Keep the hardware loose for now. Repeat this step on the passenger side. Place flat washers on the 6 remaining 1/2-inch bolts. Lift the hitch into place, aligning it with the frame plates. Insert the bolts and secure each with a flat washer, split lock washer, and hex nut. Snug the bolts, center the hitch, and finish by torquing the M14 bolts to 120 foot-pounds and the 1/2-inch hardware to 85 foot-pounds.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.